Alright guys, today I wanted to do a quick unbox review and setup on my new lounge chair. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's go and take a look at it. The 4-position folding lounge chair is built for comfort and versatility. It is set up in seconds, as you can see, no tools or assembly required. Just unfolding, you're good to go. One of the most impressive features is its strength. The lounge chair supports up to 400 pounds thanks to the heavy-duty 22mm steel frame and reinforced design. Whether you're sitting up to read, reclining to relax, or lying completely flat, it locks in securely for the position you need. What makes it stand out is the 2-in-1 functionality. It works both as a reclining lounge chair and as a flatbed, so it adapts to how you want to use it. Great for outdoors, lounging by the pool, camping, or even as an extra sleep setup indoors. It's a super flexible piece of gear that gives you comfort wherever you are. To take that comfort even further, it comes with a removable extra thick mattress and a pillow. The cushion is about 4 inches thick and made from soft, skin-friendly fabric, so it feels more like lounging on a real bed than a basic chair. If it is hot out, you can easily remove the mat and still enjoy the breathable fabric. Plus, it all folds down and stores neatly in the included carry bag. The L-shaped non-slip foot pads keep it stable on grass, gravel, or patio surfaces, giving you a reliable base no matter where you're using it. The lounge chair is easy to fold and store, and making it ideal for everything from office nap and beach days to camping trips and backyard sunbathing. Whether you're relaxing, sleeping, or soaking in the sun, it's a go-to option for all-day comfort and convenience. So if you're looking for a new lounge chair, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.